Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A stroker kit increases an engine's displacement by lengthening the stroke of the piston. In a kit will be bespoke engine components altered from OEM parts to achieve this increase in stroke. They allow the piston to travel further up and down the cylinder thanks to the use of a different crankshaft.
Take our lead.
A stroker engine is basically just an engine that has had the stroke increased to more than was originally from the factory. A stroker kit is a collection of components that make building a stroker engine possible. By increasing the stroke of the engine, and also the bore, too, you can increase the size of the engine.
Take our lead.
A typical complete stroker kit is comprised of the crankshaft, connecting rods, pistons, piston pins, main bearings, rod bearings, and piston rings. This assembly is also called the rotating assembly, or the bottom end. Many different types of each of the components can be used for different applications. 18 March 2013.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Reported performance range. The GM ZZ383 performance engine has 425 horsepower and 449 foot-pounds of torque. Other 383 stroker engines have been reported achieving 330 horsepower with 420 foot-pounds of torque, 395 horsepower with 410 foot-pounds of torque and 395 horsepower with 410 foot-pounds of torque.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.